Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw Lamborghini Murcielago full guide. Start by observing the car's wedge shape and proportion before you touch the paper. Lay down large rectangles and trapezoids to map the body, wheels, and cabin. Keep your lines light so you can refine shapes later. Focus on the roofline and wheel arches first, then add windows, vents, and headlights with steady strokes for accuracy and confidence. Use simple measuring tricks to lock in correct proportions and wheel positions. Mark the axle points and divide the wheelbase to place doors and cabin accurately. Draw wheels as ellipses that follow the car's perspective and match the body scale. Keep the front and rear wheel sizes consistent and align the center lines. Adjust the roof and hood heights to fit the wheelbase, refining curves and angles until the silhouette feels balanced and dynamic. Once the structure feels right, concentrate on the Murcielago's signature details like headlights, intakes, and scissor door seams. Vary line weight to emphasize edges and use thin interior lines for panel gaps and vents. For shading, identify the main light source and build values from light to dark with smooth transitions. Add crisp reflections on the hood and windows to suggest a glossy finish, and keep highlights clean for a realistic, polished look.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.